Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you guys how to add a text behind an object using DaVinci Resolve 18.5. Start by placing a video you want to edit and go to Effects tab and select Titles, where you can choose the basic title and place it above the video clip. Then select the text and go to Inspector menu, where you can change the text, its font, size, and other options to your liking. Then you want to copy this clip by right-clicking on it, or simply press Alt and drag the copy of the video above the text. Now select the copied clip and go to Fusion menu, where you can press Ctrl plus space to open the option drop box. In here, search for the magic mask and select it. Once you select it, you'll see your cursor has turned into this when you hover over the video. Now draw over the object you want to mask. Then click on this tracking icon to mask the object for the entire duration. Once you press that, you can see the red line starts moving and the timer starts running. Now once you go back to the editing section, you can see the text is behind the object. And that's it.